Welcome to Let's Talk. Hi everyone, Judy here. Thank you for tuning in. If you don't know, I upload one video to this series each and every week. Today, my friends, I want to talk about the vanished original penguins, the great auks. Yes, they were also called penguins. Today's penguins and the great auks are not related, even though they look alike and share many similarities. I'll talk about them in scientific ways on my second YouTube channel, Judy Plus. If you are interested in knowing the details, please check its link in the description box. Okay, the vanished birds in the northern hemisphere, the original penguins, or the great auks, or the giraffes. My friends, as you know, these birds had few natural predators, and almost none of them came on land. So, the cause of the flightless great auk extinction is human exploitation. Why? Well, the great auk was wanted for more than just its meat. Its feathers, fat, oil, and eggs made the original penguin increasingly valuable. According to reports from the International Union for Conservation of Nature, the great auks lived in scattered colonies across the ocean. They only bred on remote rocky islands around Greenland, Denmark, Iceland, the Faroe Islands, and the UK. However, there is ample evidence to suggest that the birds once inhabited the entire eastern seaboard of the United States and Canada. But no matter where they lived, once there were billions of them, and they were resilient, healthy, and diverse. Yet when humans began to explore the seas in the mid-16th century, harvesting them every spring, they were finished off in the 19th century. You know, my friends, these defenseless birds were killed in gruesome ways when they came ashore to breed. Hunters corralled them into enclosures, and then they were burned alive to heat the water used to scald the feathers of more birds. In 1844, the great auks vanished from the world entirely, when the last pair was hunted down by some fishermen in Iceland. These fishermen crushed their single egg and tied the last alive great auk to the ship. Then they made a storm. The fishermen believed that the bird was a witch, so they stoned the poor thing to death. It was a sad ending for its species, wasn't it? The penguin of the north, the great auk, was wiped out, and it was just one of the first species hunted extinction by humans. Shame on humanity, don't you think? Okay, my friends, in case you don't know me yet, I'm Judy Fay London, a fan of Jack London. I'm a published writer who writes fiction and non-fiction novels and short stories. You're very welcome to visit my website, judyfaylondon.com, or Amazon to read my poems and my short stories. The last one, Mr. Rat, Candy the dog, and so on, and my latest non-fiction book, Living with the Walking Dead, a roadmap for achieving your own success. I hope to see you there, and I thank you so much for your kind support, and thank you very much for subscribing to my YouTube channels, Judy Fay London and Judy Plus. Judy Fay London is a comprehensive channel, while Judy Plus is a channel that talks about interesting discoveries in the world of science. Thank you for watching, and my friends, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. It's totally free. Thank you.